to my channel. It's your girl AB Special as usual. Yeah, so if today is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returnee, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Yeah, so today's video is just like a wash day. I'm about to wash some of my clothes and I decided to take you guys along. And again, I get a lot of questions like, how do you wash your clothes with your nails? In case you're new to my channel, this is my nails. Like, these are my natural nails. I actually cut some, but yeah, I do my laundry with them. So today I'm going to show you guys that it's possible to do your laundry with long nails. Yeah, so I'm just sussing out my dirty clothes first. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. After that, we go straight to the bathroom to wash. I usually wash in the bathroom. This my laundry space is actually in my kitchen, so I don't like it, so I wash in the bathroom. Yeah, so I think this is all for now. Without wasting much of your time, let's start washing. Here I am to wash. Ta-da! Yeah, so growing up as a child, there's a way my mom actually taught me to wash. She'll be like, when you want to wash, first of all, hold the neck of the clothes, make sure you scrub it. That's the first place that gets dirty in any clothes you're wearing. That the body might be neat, but the neck, there will always be a sign of dirt. That you should always scrub your neck, like the neck of your dress. Then the next part is the underarm. That's the armpit area. She tell you, make sure you focus on these vital places. Your underarm, then the sleeve of the clothes. That those places, even if the clothes are looking neat, those places there will always be a sign of dirt. Yeah, so in case you don't know how to wash, I'm giving you a little expo. But anyways, I don't think there's anybody that don't know how to wash, but I'm just explaining how I learned how to wash in case some of you are wondering why I'm washing like this. That was how I was taught. I don't know how other people wash their own clothes, because in this life we all do things differently. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoy this video. sit tight and enjoy. Grab your popcorn and your ice cream and just watch me wash. That's satisfying. Like, it's really satisfying.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, and when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we set it sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
So the Nigerian in me, I'm not going to waste it down. So I have to rinse it very well with water to make sure there is nothing left in the bag. No, you cannot waste anything, never.
Some people requested that I do washing my CR just alone without, the fast forward and all that. They liked the way I washed my CR, but they want a detailed video. So I'm going to do that today after washing my clothes. But I'm not going to post it today. Separate video, like for the CR, a separate video also. So I think that will be after this one of the
No!
Yeah guys, so if you watched to this point, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Please do well to subscribe if you've not subscribed yet, and also turn on your notifications so that whenever I post a new video you'll be notified. And please share with friends. If you have any video suggestion, drop it down at the comment section. If there's anything you want me to talk about, drop it down at the comment section. Bye.